Hi folks, my name is Nestor and I'm here with a couple of our beautiful church chairs. The one on the left is a little bit smaller, a little bit more narrow, fit more people in a row. So you may want a more narrow chair. In this case, this is an 18.5 inch church chair. We have this 20.5 inch church chair. This one has a little bit thicker padding. It's a little bit wider. We have kind of different style backs, a cutaway back. You'll see the cushion portion kind of cuts away about here, about your waist area, is what we call a full back. So the padding goes all the way down to the bottom. So we have the full back, we have the cutaway back, you have 20.5 inch wide, you have 18.5 inch wide. We have tons of different colors online. We have a 10-year warranty on the frames of all of our church chairs because they're steel, they're rugged, and they're built to last. They come with these interlocking clips. As you're setting up these chairs, you want to set up basically a row of chairs like a pew. Slide it in and voila, they interlock. And that comes standard with all our church chairs. Frames are the same height and they all have interlocking clips. It's easy to set up a row of chairs. They don't start spreading apart. They're all interlocked, keeping your row consistently, symmetrically aligned. The rubber feet to protect your flooring, and 4 plus another 4 on the other side. So it's 8 total of stacking pads. Now these pads are designed to protect when you're stacking the chairs, that you don't have metal on metal contact. You have the rubber padding brushing up against the metal to protect your frame. A pocket in the back. So whether it's a little missalette, an envelope for your church attendees. All right, we have book racks underneath. The kind of flat side toward the rear. We're gonna go underneath the chair, slide the book rack over the rear shelf, and then bring the hooks up over the front cross beam. That hooks in, and we have these little holes in the rear, and we're just gonna slide it into those holes, and voila, you're done. The only thing we need now is, very important book, is ready to hold a Bible or any other important pamphlets, newsletters. Folks, get this and shop our huge selection of church chairs at Chiavari.com.